So once you have registered your staff, you want to update their information later on. And for you to do so, you have to be in this window. So under staff management, there are a number of things that you're able to do. One, you can see the statistics at the top. You can see the total number of staff, those that are active, those that are inactive, and the gender population. So those that are inactive cannot log into the system, only those that are active. And you can see the gender ratio here, male and female, it's all represented in this line graph. Below that, we have a drop down that suggests to us the two things that we're able to do. One is that we're able to view all staff, and they'll be displayed in this table down here. And there are a number of things that we're able to do. We're able to view, and one, change their status. So if you toggle these to inactive, this user will not be able to log in. And below that, you're able to update the staff photo. So this staff photo has one use, and that is to authenticate with the biometric. Whenever the school has done that biometric integration so that it automates the staff attendance, the image that has been uploaded here is the one that will be used. So you click edit and upload that image. Then below that, you have the staff biodata, that is their personal data. Below that, you have their HR details, that is things like date of employment, job number, job title, TSC, NSSF, and HIF, the employment type. Below that, you have the credential management. So here's where you update the username, and you can also change the password. Below that, you have next of kin details here, and you have lastly the roles. And remember, the roles are divided into two. We have those that are black and those that are blue. Those that are black, these ones came with the system, while those that are blue, these ones have been defined by the system admin. So once you are done updating everything in this area, except two things, in fact, three things, the account active, the staff photo, and the change password, you click update. So updating anything else apart from the three, that is change password, change of the photo, change of the status of the staff, you are required to update the staff details. So that is the name, the role, the credentials here, the username specifically, human resource details, all these details that I've mentioned, personal information, those ones you are required to click this button to update them. And once you're done with that area, at the top here, we have two things that you're able to do. One is that you're able to permanently delete the staff from the system, so they will lose their account and all their details will be deleted. Then on the other side, you're able to monitor the staff's attendance. So just like the student attendance, this is similar. You click on that button, and below here, you'll be able to see the staff's attendance. So again, this is marked automatically by the biometric. This one you'll not be able to mark the attendance of the staff. So you just select the month and you click display. So I can pick June and I display, and you can see in the month of June, this staff has been absent throughout. Then you can see all the statistics that are below that table. Then you click back, then you come back to the staff list. So once you're done viewing the staff, you're also able to do another thing, and that is assigning a class teacher a class. So the staffs that have been given the role of the class teacher are the only ones that can be assigned the classes. And this class teacher role that they are assigned is not a role that you as the admin or you as the admin has defined. This is the role that comes with the system. Among the first 6 roles, there is a role for class teacher, and that is the role that a teacher needs to be assigned for them to be assigned a class. So once you have assigned the teacher a class, you just click on the assign teacher button. Then you can either search for the teacher here by their name. Then once you find them, like here we can come and pick Rihanna. This one is a class teacher. We select the class that we want to assign Rihanna. So you can come and say class 3 and we add. But before I even click that, you are not able to select more than one class. It is only one class at a time. So you click class 3, then you add. Then you can see Mrs. Rihanna now has a class assigned, class 3. So those are the two things that you're able to do in this section. That is viewing of staff and updating their details and assigning the teacher class. Thank you.